Well, I wasn't expecting to make this video today, but you've got to make hay whilst the wind blows or something like that. Basically, yes, I've come out for a little drive up to the Cardington hangars in Bedfordshire, where the ill-fated R101 took off and never made it to its landing destination. But the reason I'm flying today is because it's an extraordinarily windy day. It's kind of ruining my garden back home, but yeah, I thought now would be a great time to see how the new Mavic Air 2 copes with very strong wind. UAV Air is saying you should not fly with gusts of up to 35 miles an hour. Seeing how I know how the Mavic 2 Pro handles wind, I'm happy to see how the Air copes. Usual rules apply. Fly out into the wind, fly back with the wind, and don't fly anywhere where you can't go and retrieve the drone if you have to make an emergency landing. I certainly don't recommend you do this sort of thing, but I have been waiting for a very windy day to see how the Mavic Air 2 copes with wind, because I think most of you will know the Mavic Mini doesn't necessarily handle it too well. So it should be an interesting little video. Apologies for the quality of this video here, filming on the phone rather than camera. No microphone with me. I wasn't expecting to shoot a video today. But anyway, yes, let's get on with it and see how we get on.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
That sounds going to be awful here, but as you can see, very, very windy day. Bushes, bushes are fine. So good to see you get the same warning that you do on the Mavic Mini, and the phone is vibrating. The wind is far stronger than I'd be happy flying the Mavic Mini in though. Easily got gusts of 30 miles an hour at the moment. Well, there's no doubt an exceptionally windy day, and my first thoughts are the Mavic Air 2 handles the wind safely landed there, and I have to say I'm really impressed. It's great to see that the Mavic Air 2 is back firmly in the realm of wind capability that the 2 Pro and the original Mavic Air was. Absolutely no problems there. We've got wind gusts well in excess of 30 miles an hour here, very strong constant wind, and I was genuinely surprised at how still and stable the little Air 2 managed to stay basically. I could see from the screen the video looked rock steady as ever. A lot of wind warnings, but the wind warnings kicked in at a much higher wind than they do with the Mavic Mini, so they've obviously adjusted it for the Air 2. This is very much a drone that you can take hiking. I used to take the original Air when I'd go hiking up in the Welsh mountains because it could slice through the wind so easily. And it's clear that the new Air can handle the wind pretty much to the same level. It's given me full confidence in this drone now, and certainly whilst I played it safe today, I flew out into the wind so I could fly back with the wind. In truth, it never once drifted and was in control the whole time. So a very, very good test, and I'm extremely pleased to see that normal wind capability has been resumed. Anyway, look, lovely wind. Apologies again if the sound for this and the quality of the video isn't the normal. I wasn't expecting to make a video today, but as I said, yeah, definitely made hay whilst the sun shines and the wind blows. Either way, until next time, do a favour for me, give me a little thumbs up and hit the sub and ding the dong to get notified if you haven't already. But stay safe and sane, have fun, happy flying. Cheers.